Okay, it's a new day. Actually, like yesterday just disappeared with the house we got back after the tenant passed away. In this video, I'm just going to talk about like our budget and our plan. So the plan is to get the house ready in 5 days to rent it out on Airbnb Booking.com, and the budget is maximum like around $7,000 and so far we've spent around $2,000 buying stuff to fix it, right? So and then I found some guys that are going to take care of the garden, right? So that is quite important. So we have these guys that are supposed to fix the garden, the outside. So we'll see how well they do. So I said like they can have like $500 for cutting the grass, cutting the hedges, removing the garbage, and like fixing everything outside. So that is the deal with that. Then I ordered some surveillance cameras. So the thing is, I want to use it as a short-term rental. So I can't really put cameras on the backside because of like privacy issues, right? So if people are like in the garden, then they're going to complain if I have cameras here. But if I was doing a longer renovation, I would definitely put cameras up there. So instead, I'm going to put a camera here, so I can see when someone comes into the property here. And then I'm going to put a doorbell camera here, so I can see everyone coming here, coming inside, right? So, and then the doorbell camera is not as suspicious, right? If I put like big cameras here, then the neighbors might complain. So the thing I ordered is, so I ordered some UV cams. That's like a discount. It's kind of hard to see here, but so it's like 4,000 Danish crowns. So that is equivalent like of $600. But I'm not going to use all 4 cameras here. I'm only going to use one, and then if I can come up with an idea to put the second one, then I'll use the second one. So I'll use the other ones in another house. And then they had like this doorbell camera with light inside, which I'm going to put on the outside. So it's a little bit more than $100. And then I ordered some internet. So the internet is going to be around $30 per month. So that is on its way, because also I can't like connect to the cameras, and nobody's going to rent from me if I don't have internet, right? So we need internet. It's the lifeblood of people, right? People will like skip paying their electric bill and heating bill and rent and still pay their internet. So we really need that in a short-term rental. Then with the bathroom, I'm going to try to put some micro concrete, like some stuff you put on side, some putty stuff, and then see if I can make the floor look nice. And if that works out, I bought enough for this floor and the floor in another house. And then if I like the results, I'm going to buy some more and put it on the walls too. The price on that is a little bit more than $200. I'll make another video where I'll go through the number exactly, right? So $200 for this stuff for the floors in the 2 houses, and then if it works out, then it's around the same price for putting it on the walls. So then I might just do that to fix it. I was considering changing the mirror thing. I think might still do that. We will see about that. But I think this one down here is just going to get cleaned and stay, right? So I'm not going to do anything else besides like cleaning out here. And with cleaning, then I ordered a vacuum cleaner. So it's quite expensive, like $250 It's a Miele one. The thing for me is that I want the powerful one, so it's 890 watt, and then people are like, Palle, that is not environmentally friendly. We need the low power vacuum cleaner. The problem with the low power vacuum cleaner is that the suction sucks. Right? The less power, less suction, right? And I want it to get clean as fast as possible because it's much more expensive to have a guy running around cleaning, right? 5 minutes extra in a house, right? So if we can save 5 minutes, then in 10 days, that is like that's 50 minutes, right? So 12 days, then it's 1 hour we're going to save if we have like a more powerful vacuum cleaner. And if you spend the same time, then you just get like a more clean house. And then the other pro is that I ordered a suction thing for it, that when you put that on, then it becomes very, very wide. So you have like the normal standard size of the suction thing on the vacuum cleaner, but then this one is, I'll show you when it arrives. It's a little bit wider, so that means like you can vacuum faster, but you can only do that if you have a vacuum cleaner that actually has enough power to use the broad suction thing, right? So that is important. And then I'm a big sucker for Hue lamps. So there's like something called the Philips Hue Amaze Pendle, which is like a little bit more than $200 each. So I ordered 2 of those. And then the wife was saying like, Palle, they're going to be like in your face, right? So we will see how that works out. But the idea is to put one here and then put one over here. So the idea is to put the dining table, so far, is to put the dining table over there and then put the couch and then TV up here. And then of course, like to use the Philips thing, then we need a Hue bridge. So I ordered a Hue bridge, which is like around $50 US. The funny thing with this house is actually like it was up for foreclosure for a few years ago. So the guy who passed away was very happy living here. He paid very, very, very little rent. Oh, I need to. So I have this steamer thing, so I'm going to take off the stickers on the wall. So it's much easier when you just take one of these and then it goes off. But I'll just turn it off because I'm not going to do that right now. Anyways, the guy who lived here, he paid, how much is that? $320 US rent for this house per month. So it's like less than half of like what the normal price is. So every month for the past 3 years where he's been living here and I've owned the property, then I've had money out of my pocket. The thing is that sometimes it's like, so he made a deal with some idiot in the past, right? And then I'll just honor the deal, and now I have the opportunity to change it. So for me, this house was a part of a package. So I bought 6 houses, and then the guy wouldn't sell me the other houses unless I took this one too, right? So the price when it was split over the houses were around $30,000 for this house. So the funny thing is, a lot of landlords and people who want to go into real estate investing do like stupid things. So actually, it's not the guys I bought it from who found this tenant. So this house was sold on auction on the 7th of November 2018 for 61,000 Danish crowns. So that is less than $10,000 US. That's what was paid for this house by the guys I bought it from. So they made quite a lot of money on me, you can say. But they lost money for 3 years more or less every month while having the tenant. So the guy before that, he bought the house for 100,000 Danish crowns. So that is like maybe around 15,000 US dollars. Yeah. Anyways, so the thing is that like we need to make sure that when we have a property, then unless it's part of a plan, that we don't need to bring money with us to work, right? Because that is just stupid. and we need to keep the costs as much down as possible. So like I was considering changing the curtains, but like so far I think I'll just keep these curtains. I'll wash them and then just put them back up just to save time and to save money. I would need to get some curtains here. So that's like $30 US, and then there's another one here, like $30 US. And then in the kitchen needs to be cleaned. I would probably have to change the suction at some point. I'll change the fridge at some point too, but not in the beginning, because actually it is a little bit nasty. Anyways, I ordered a new dryer from Samsung. So the dryer is around $330 US. So I ordered a new dryer, and then I ordered a microwave here, which is like $130. I would have wanted the blue one because it matches the house, but I'm not going to pay twice the amount for a blue one. I had to update my drone, so I took some drone shots from outside to check the thing, and then it needed an update. Yeah, and then I'll probably need to do something with this. So the plan is to like paint it, remove the stickers, make it nice. I have some spare furniture from other houses, put up some lamps and do this, and then have this house finished in 5 days from today. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel, and wait for, if you click the bell button, then there'll be pling, a new video when it comes out. Else, if you are coming in the future and the other videos are already there, there's a link to it up here, so you can go watch that. What do you think? Do you think it's possible to make this very nice in 5 days? Give the video a like. If you think it's crazy and it's not going to work, write it in the comments below and give the video a dislike. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.